In this video, I'll be reviewing a new YouTube training product called YT Influencer. This has been created by Chris Derenberger, who is a legendary YouTube marketer. I've done quite a few of his, I've reviewed quite a few of his products, and I've purchased probably all of them because I know how much value is in even just the front end of his products. So this is another one of those gold mines of information and practical tips and know-how and over-the-shoulder training that you definitely can't miss out on. If you purchase via the link down below in the description, I'll send you some of my bonuses, but I'll go through that in a second once I get to my review page. But let me just go through his sales page here. This could change at the time of when it goes live, but for now this is how it is. So the launch price is $12.95. Now this is only for the first 5 days. So this is launching on the 27th of February 2023 at 9 AM Eastern, 2 PM UK. And the launch period is 5 days. So the price will go up to $47 on the Friday, which is the 3rd of March. Sorry, it will be at the end of a Friday, 3rd of March. Now for $12.95 you'll get an incredible amount of training, but I will go through that in a second. Now on the page you go through a lot of information about the YouTube process, the commissions, the money he makes. Currently there are 29 videos in the training, and I've been through I think nearly all of them, and in usual Chris fashion there's a lot of value in every video. He goes through it clearly, coherently, a lot better than me, and he goes through every step so that even a beginner novice YouTuber can access YouTube, make the videos, make the channel, optimize everything. So to be honest, if you buy this course via my link of course, and you don't make money, then I think you really have to rethink your process, because his process makes it so easy to follow that it is pretty hard not to make money using this process. Now of course there's no guarantee, so I can't obviously guarantee anything, but even me, I don't always put the most effort into the videos and stuff, but even I've made quite a bit of money by following the earlier trainings and features from this training that he's given before. So this is a really good training product in total. He goes through some of his commissions. I know some of these because he's posted them in the other group, YT Marketer, which he released a year or so ago, which I posted, which was very high ticket, but I've actually made my money back from that. So yeah, I know his trainings are worth it. Okay, so let me show you my review page first. Okay, it might be a bit small because I've just switched to a 4K monitor. 1 second. Let me just zoom in a bit. Okay, so the link below, there's a link to my review page. If you click on that, you'll see the information and you'll see my buy buttons. So let me get to my bonuses first. So I've got 3 custom bonuses for you. Nobody else will have these because these are my own bonuses. I need to highlight it a bit better actually, but the first bonus is I will give the first 5 people that respond via the form that's on the bonus page, I'll give them a campaign of views, interactions and comments on their video to give their video a boost. Now if you go through Chris's training, you'll see this is an essential part of YouTube. I'll be giving 5 campaigns, sorry, 1 campaign per person to 5 people who reply, and yeah, you'll get a boost to your video. The second bonus is a YouTube SEO video training guide I recorded, going through some tips and recommendations for YouTube video SEO to get better rankings. The third bonus is a video training guide I recorded on how to get instant traffic to your YouTube videos. It's a bit of a hack, and yeah, it can give you a little boost. But again, not everybody does this, and you only get it via my link. So click on this orange button here or the one above. And yeah, thank you. So let me go through my little review here. So just talk a bit about YouTube, YT Influencer. A little snippet. It's very much worth it if you're new or if you're an intermediate user of YouTube and affiliate marketing. You still learn a lot, because I went through all the videos and I actually picked up a few tips from there. I talk about what the course is about. Okay, this is the members area here. So the first section of the members area is split into 3 sections. The first section is all about preparing. So what it's preparing what you want to do. There's proof of how it works. It talks about affiliate networks, products, and so on types of videos. I'll go into more detail in a second. I'll show you inside the members area. The second section is taking action. So how to set up your channel, how to do all the verifications for YouTube, how to record the various types of products, whether affiliate, product, digital or physical, how to do the thumbnails and so on, how to also get some views. And the final section is a bonus section. It's all about there's 3 case studies in there, and he goes into some detail and shows some evidence of what he did to to make money from these products and also rank the videos. So this is all in the front end. It's about 29 videos, and there's a lot of content in there for $12.95 the launch price. So yeah, that's a lot of information for you. Okay, the pricing is, as I've said a couple of times, it's $12.95 at launch, but it's going to end around midnight on Friday. Then the price will increase and remain at $47. I believe it will remain there. It probably will. There are a couple of OTOs, so let me go through the OTOs. This first one is a OTO 1 or a bump up sale. Is a 90-day case study on making $400,000. So Chris goes into detail on how he made $400,000 in 90 days. That is $27. The second OTO is a launch jacking mini course, I'd say, where he goes through how to use YouTube and do launch jacking, which is essentially as what I'm doing now. When you're making a video and then trying to get to the top of YouTube on the launch of a product. So if people search for YT influencer review, for example, they see your videos at the top. The third OTO is expert ranker. So he goes through how to rank your videos. Now this is a grey area, but I've been doing this, he's been doing it. A lot of big YouTubers do this, especially with affiliate marketing, and it's a very good way to boost your income with affiliate income in affiliate marketing, I mean. And the last one is a VIP Facebook group where you get access to Chris and a lot of other YouTubers who will be in there and people who participate in the group. And everyone shares tips, ideas, techniques, and this is a bargain price of just $7 a month. That's incredible value, because I'm in some groups I'm paying $50, $60, $70 a month. So yeah, that's really good. And again, there are my bonuses there. So let me get into the training now. 1 second. Oops, where did I put it? Okay, that's not it. Let me just find it. 1 second, let me pause the video. Okay, I'm back. Okay. So this is the actual training area, members area, whatever you want to call it. So in the preparing section, it goes through what to think about before you start, the proof that it works. It talks about affiliate networks, affiliate products, the types of videos to make, the buyer intent videos, review videos, solving problem videos, coupons, discount, and informational videos. Now I won't click on it because it will mess up the audio. And the second section is the main section. I consider it the main section. This is taking action. So this is where you learn from Chris on how to set up your channel properly, how to do all the verification, how to record physical products, how to rank without owning the product, how to record digital products, various methods to edit the video. I don't use CapCut, but how to use CapCut, how to create faceless videos using AI, how to create sharp and effective and clickable thumbnails. He explains a bit about the YouTube algorithm, how to rank, how to get views and rank videos. He gives you some ranking examples. He talks about YouTube filters, and there's various methods on how to cloak your affiliate links and make them more appealing to click on. And he talks a little bit about vidIQ. And the last one, which I see as a bit of motivation, also proof of income and proof of success, I suppose. He gives some free case studies, and yeah, these are very good to watch. You could even watch these first, just to get an idea of what's possible, what the potential is of this training course following these methods, because there's nothing special that he's done here, except for follow what he's been talking about in these sections here. So all of this is just the front end, and there's a lot of value in there. Let me show you what's inside some of the OTOs. 1 second. Okay, so in the launch jacking training area, this is OTO. I've forgotten which OTO this is. 1 second. Launch jacking is OTO 2. So he explains what launch jacking is, where to find products, how to get your affiliate links and get review access, how to make your video, how to optimize it for ranking, how to offer bonuses, and how to build an email list. This building an email list is essential for long-term success. Okay, the third OTO in this section here is advanced ranking training. So he shows you how to grow organically, how to use services which are a bit grey, a bit black hat, but how to use services to boost your videos and channels, how to boost rankings, how to get in the recommended section. He goes through some of his favourite services and he gives you 3 different types of case studies. So you've got a physical product, digital product and an informational product, how to make money from all of them and basically do your thing on YouTube. And I think I've already shown the pricing, so let me just close this one. And yep, that's the pricing. The front end is $12.95. It goes to 47 on March 4th. The YT influencer, the case study is 27, OTO 1 is 67, OTO 2 is 147, and then you got the pay monthly Facebook group. So that is it. That is the review of YT Influencer. Having been through all of the videos, I can tell you honestly that it is one of the best trainings for this sort of price you'll ever get. And if you think about it, it's just price for 2 cups of coffee. And also on top of that, if you buy via my links, I'm going to give you some free services on top that will boost your videos, and it's at no cost to you. Just click on these buttons and then you'll get taken to you'll buy the product and then you'll get taken to your bonus link. So hope you enjoyed the video, hope you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next one.